everyone. You are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. Punjab Delhi drop plan to pay farmer incentive for not burning stubble. Rainfall even made more likely due to climate crisis caused Pakistan floods. Bhadra raining heavily in these states including UP Uttarakhand Meteorological Department alert. 24 years feel like 24 hours. Roger Federer announced retirement. Now news in details. Punjab's Agriculture Minister Kuldeep Singh Dhaliwal announced the decision days after a joint proposal by two states of giving rupees 2,500 per hectare to paddy growers for not burning crop residue was rejected by centre. An earthquake of magnitude 4.8 on the Richter scale occurred 189 km north of Les Alchi, said National Center of Seismology on Friday. The earthquake occurred at 4:19 am with a depth of 10 km below the ground. An earthquake of magnitude 4.8 occurred 189 km north of Les Alchi. The depth of the earthquake was 10 km below the ground. Earlier last week, an earthquake of magnitude 3.5 on the Richter scale occurred 62 km east-northeast of Katra in Jammu and Kashmir. National Center for Seismology is the nodal agency of the Government India for monitoring earthquake activity in the country. Floods that devastated large part of Pakistan last month left tens of thousands homeless and around 1,500 dead were caused due to an intense 1 in a 100-year rainfall event made several times for likely due to climate crisis, according to a World Weather Attribution Analysis. WWA, a network of leading climate scientists globally, however, could not quantify how the crisis made the event possible due to variation in the result of climate model. First, looking just at the trend in the observations, we found that the 5-day maximum rainfall, the provinces Sindh and Balochistan are now about 75% more intense than it would have been the climate not warmed by 1.2 degrees Celsius, whereas the 60 days rain across the basin is now about 50%. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. Half a month of September has passed. Monsoon time is about to pass soon. Meanwhile, the Meteorological Department has again issued a warning of rain in many states. Very heavy rain are expected in Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand till September 17. On the other hand, there is a possibility of heavy rain and thunder, lightning in the Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura on 16 September. There is a possibility of less rain activity over South Peninsular India during the next 5 days. At the same time, in Madhya Pradesh also, an orange alert has been issued regarding rain in areas like Mumbai, Palghar, etc. We'll be back after a short break.
हमारा इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. The news of requirement of 7,000 posts and then 12,000 more posts is being considered as good news for the youth. There are frequent arrested of those who make mistake in the examination. 30 have been arrested so far. Amidst the irregularities in the requirement process, there has come a relief news for the youth of the state. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has announced that soon the requirement process for 7,000 posts is going to start. Rapid requirement drive will be start on vacant post in Government Department of Uttarakhand. CM Pushkar Singh Dhami said that the requirement process is going to start for 7,000 posts. The examination will also be started soon for 12,000 posts. Puri Shankaracharya Swami Nishchalandan Saraswati said that the decision of the survey regarding Madrasas is also not wrong because shocking cases have come to the fore in many places. Madrasas are becoming the den of terrorism. Puri Shankaracharya Swami Nishtaland Saraswati has also openly supported the Yogi government's decision to conduct a survey of madrasas in Uttar Pradesh. Shankaracharya says that if there are serious allegations of promoting terrorism against madrasas, then there is no harm in getting it investigated. Investigation is very important to bring out the reality. The decision of the survey regarding madrasas is also not wrong because shocking cases have come to the fore in many places. A major accident has happened in the Lucknow aimed heavy rain. 9 people died after a wall collapsed in Duluksha area. 2 people are injured. It is being told that this wall collapsed during the heavy rain in the night. 9 people have died after a wall collapse in Lucknow aimed heavy rain. 2 people are injured in this. According to the administration, those killed had come to Lucknow for the construction of quarter in the army areas of the Duluksha. The construction work was completed only 2 months ago, but the laborers working there living illegally in this area of Duluksha. The same laborers have become the victims of the accident. Those killed include 3 children. Tennis legend Roger Federer, the first men's player to win 20 Grand Slam titles, has announced his decision to retire from the sport after Laver Cup 2022. Federer informed of his decision with a post on his Twitter handle. Federer won his the first Grand Slam in the year 2003 when he won the Wimbledon title. He has since gone on to win 6 Australian Open, 1 French Open, 8 Wimbledon and 5 US Open titles. He has been struggling with a knee injury for a long time. The 41-year-old winner of 20 Grand Slam title has been out of action since a quarter-final lose at Wimbledon in 2021 before undergoing another bout of knee surgery. Federer's announcement come on the heel of the retirement of Serena Williams. That's all for today. Thank you for watching The Bharat.